Hey, are you a meta user, developer, or you're just curious and interested in trying out a artificial intelligence agentic coding environment? If you are, in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can access and install Meta Artificial Intelligence Muse Coding Agent. Now, you may not find this amusing yet because actually the coding agent is a terminal window. It's not a pretty graphical user interface. However, you can still create programming source code with this software. At the time of this video creation, it's available on Apple Macintosh operating system and Linux operating systems only. I'm not aware that it's available for Microsoft Windows operating systems yet. It also is currently in beta, so just that you're aware, it is beta. It's not, it's not alpha, which would be even, not as productive, but it is beta. It's not like a full production environment. It's available two ways. You can access the meta model through the application programming interface and also through the Muse Code software. There is a feature within the Muse Code software that you can actually use your application programming interface key to then, code with it. But primarily, you either use the application programming interface or the Muse Code terminal software. You install it with the curl statement, and I will show you that in a few moments if you're patient. You can browse to research.meta.ai, look for their blog post pertaining to introducing Muse Code and Muse Spark 1.2. This is an example of the terminal window. So for now, it's just a terminal environment. It's not a graphical interface where you got drop-down menus and buttons. And no, it's actually a terminal environment. So you're going to have to, command line interface. You're going to have to know how to type in terminal commands. Now, on this page, they link to this page. You can browse to auth.meta.com. So basically, you're going to need to have a Meta developer account. All right. Now, here is the command that you would type into a terminal window in order to install it. It's just a curl command, curl space dash lowercase f, lowercase s, uppercase s, so it is case sensitive, space https for hypertext transfer protocol secure // dev.meta.ai/install.sh space pipe space bash. All this does is it downloads that install script to your local computer, and then it runs the script because it's an installation bash script. You can use Muse Spark on Meta Model Application Programming Interface and Muse Code. Now, the large language model is Spark 1.2, but I'm not going to discuss that. This software was code trained to specifically, I believe, use Spark 1.2. When you scroll down on this page, so you're going to need a Facebook account, but not just any Facebook account. You're going to need a developer account. If you're a team or organization, you can continue with a managed account. Let's see what they mention about that. Managed Meta accounts will give your team secure access that then your organization would then manage centrally themselves. Okay. These are important. They have developer documentation for the Meta Model Application Programmer Interface and the Muse Code, which is just a terminal environment. They have application programming interface reference, such as endpoints and parameters, and then also cookbooks. Yep, we're going to, cook it. Cooking, no, obviously it's just a metaphor. Code examples and how-tos. Now, I believe in one of these documents, I'm not going to go over it, but in the developer documents, they do have the token maxing. They do have the token prices. It's in, I believe, the developer documentations. I looked it up for you. However, these prices could change. It's in the developer documents. You just go to the main developer documentations for this, and then there's a link to the pricing. It says here cash input 15 cents per 1 million tokens, context as standard. The number of tokens 1 million. Input $1.25 and output $4.25. They have a contributor tier. I'm not sure what that's about. Cached input, price per 1 million contextual tokens, less than 1 cent. Input token, 10 cents. Output tokens, 20 cents per 1 million. That was this video pertaining to how you can access and install Meta Artificial Intelligence Muse coding agent. Now, whether or not that's an amusing environment, I do not know. Adios.